topic, that is HCF, right? So what actually the HCF is, that I will tell you today. HCF, the full form of HCF is, students, highest common factor, right? Highest common factor. Now you know the meaning of highest, you know the meaning of common also, you know the meaning of factor also. But how to utilize this to find the HCF, that is most important, right? So for HCF, we at least require two numbers, right? It can be done for three numbers also, right? But we require at least two numbers for doing the HCF. So let's start here, right? I will be giving you, students, at least two examples for this HCF. At least saying two. I can give more also. So let's begin it out. Okay, first question, right? Your first question is to find the HCF of, students, 12 and 18. Find the HCF of 12 and 18. So actually there are two methods to find the HCF, students. First method is listing the factors, and second method is, students, by the prime factorization method, right? So I'll teach you both the methods, right? Based on your convenience, you can use any of the method. So I'm here taking the first method of listing down the factors. So we have to list down all the factors of 12, students. That means 12 किस की tables में आता है वो लिखना. That is the meaning of factor actually, right? 12 comes in the table of 1, it comes in the table of 2, it comes in the table of 3 also, 4 also, 6 also, then directly in the table of 12. Similarly, okay students, now we'll list down the factors of 18 also, right? So the factors of 18 comes in the table of 1, then 2, then 3, then 6, then 9, 18 itself, right? Now after these factors, students, we have to see that which are the factors which are coming common between both the numbers, right? So the common factors between these numbers are 1, then 2, then 3, then 6, right? Now there are total 4 common factors, that are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Out of this factor, which factor is the greatest, that means highest, that is 6. So here we will be writing the answer of HCF as 6, right? The same question, student, the same question we will be doing with another method, right? That is called the prime factorization method. Okay, what actually this method is, students? Prime factorization. Prime factorization means we have to list down all the prime factors of the given numbers, right? जब word prime factorization है, students, तो only and only prime numbers are allowed. You cannot use any of the composite numbers, right? So I am listing down the factors of 12 and 18, right? So 12 comes in the table of 2. It comes in the table of 3 also, it comes in the table of 6 also, 12 also, but only prime numbers to be selected. ये जितने भी numbers हैं उसमें से सिर्फ prime numbers से select करना है. You cannot use 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number, so never use 1, right? Similarly, ये जो 12 है, that is a composite number. This 4 is also composite number. 6 is also composite number. Composite numbers मतलब जिनके दो से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं, having more than 2 factors, right? So here I am listing all the factors of 12. 2 6 are 12. Again this 6 is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and this 3 1s are 3. अभी हम 18 के लिए करेंगे. So 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Right? Now 12 के factors को हम ऐसे लिखेंगे. We'll write like this: 2 into 2 into 3. We'll write down the factors of 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. Now, which are the common factors? इसको हम circle करेंगे. We'll circle out the common factors, students. 2, right? And this 3, right? Now we'll multiply this circled numbers, right? So we'll get the HCF as 2 multiplied by 3 as 6. Is it okay to all of you? Right? Let's see one more question on this HCF. So the number is 27 and 54, right? 27 and 54. Students, I advise you to go with this method, right? The reason is अगर numbers छोटे हैं तो then it's quite easy, आप ये कर सकते हैं कि tables identify कर सकते हैं. तो numbers are bigger, तो there may be chances कि आप कोई factors miss out भी कर सकते हो, and हो सकता है कि वो जो factor miss out हुआ that can be your highest factor also, right? So I advise you, instead of going with this method, please go with this method, right? Because there are less chances that here you can miss out the factors, right? So 2754 I am going to do with the prime factorization method only, right? Now 27 student comes in the table of 3. It doesn't come in the table of 2. The reason it is an odd number, right? So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. We'll go for the 54 also. Students will go with the 54 also. 54 is a even number. So all the even numbers are coming in the table of 2, as we know already. So 54 will give the try with the 2. So 2 27s are, right? Now 27 is an odd number, so it doesn't come in the table of 2. So we have to switch our number. We'll go one level higher, that means 3. So 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. You can at least feel also, see from here we are having all the things common. So perhaps 27 can be the HCF, right? So 27, I am listing out the factors. I am listing out the factors of 54 also. Now I am circle out all the common factors. Right? And I am going to multiply them. And I have already told you that the answer will be 27. Is it clear to all of you? Right? See that there can be word problems also on HCF. So we'll see that also, right? Okay students, so let's see one word problem, right? And we have to decide whether this, what we have to supposed to do, whether it's supposed to do HCF or LCM, right? So first we'll understand the question, then we'll decide whether to do HCF or LCM, right? So two tankers contain 850 liter and 680 liter of kerosene oil. There are two tankers, which one contains 850 liters of kerosene and another one contains 680 liters of kerosene oil. Now what they are supposed to do? Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers where use an exact number of times. That means we have to find one such container, the maximum container which can measure both the tankers oil, right? That means 850 liter वाले tanker का भी measure कर सके और 680 liters का जो tanker है उसका भी measure कर सके. So we require that container which can measure both this values, right? ये जो दोनों है containers उन दोनों का measure कर सके. See here, generally students are seeing here. Generally students आप लोग यहाँ पे ये word देखते हो. See here, maximum. So generally ऐसा बोलते हैं maximum है, so we will go with the HCF, maximum, highest, right? But actually speaking, you don't have to see this word. Actually, you have to see this word. See, exact number of times. दिख रहा है exact number of times? What does this indicate, students? Exact मतलब equal होना चाहिए. So whenever we talk about equality, so there comes HCF in the picture, right? Whenever we talk about equality, यानी sharing, equal portions में sharing करना है, कुछ देना है. So there comes the HCF in the picture, right? And so this question is, of HCF. So let's work it out. So you have to find the HCF of 850 and 680. So we will go with the prime factorization method. So 425 is 850. Then 425 is an 425 is the number which can be divisible by 5. It cannot be divisible by 2. 3 से भी नहीं हो सकता because 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not going to be divided by 3. So directly switch on to the 5. 5 8s are 40 and remaining 2. So 5 5s are. Now 85 is there. So 85 again can be divisible by 5 because last digit is 5. So 5 17s are, right? And last 17 ones are 17. Next one is 680, right? So we'll solve with the 2. 340. Last digit is 0. Still it is going to be divisible by 2 only. So 2 170. Again it's 0. So again going to be divisible by 2. So 285 is a. Now see 85 is there. So 85 doesn't come the table of 2 as well as 3. So we have to take the help of 5. So 5 17 is a. 17 ones are. Right? So I think that you can get the idea that the HCF will be somewhat about 85, right? Somewhat about 85. I'm not saying 85 because still we are having one number common, that is 2. So 850. I'm listing out the factors, and 680. I'm listing down the factors. So I'm circle outing the common factors. This is 2 is there, then 15 is there, and 117 is there. We don't have anything else as a common, right? So if I multiply them, so 2 into 5 into 17, so 2 5s are 10 and 10 7s are 170 students. So the maximum capacity of the container which can measure this 2 containers oil is 170 liters. So here I end with my answer. Therefore, maximum capacity of the tanker, or you can write even container also, maximum capacity of a container which can measure which can measure 850 liter and 680 liter tanker kerosene oil is 170 liter. Is it okay? So the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the 850 and 680 liters tanker kerosene oil is 170 liters. Is it okay to all of you? Okay students, now we are going to understand the topic, that is LCM. What is the full form of LCM? First I will explain you. LCM. Some people are speaking lowest common multiple, some are speaking least common multiple, but वो रहेगा तो LCM ही, right? So lowest common multiple, right? Lowest means सबसे छोटा, common मतलब दो numbers के बीच में कुछ common आता है, and multiples you know very well. So we'll work out on the same also, right? So LCM, we require minimum 2 numbers, right? And maximum there is no limit, right? So let's see some examples. Here also students, we are having 2 methods of finding the LCM. I will explain both the methods to you, right? So first example, say for example I am having the numbers 12 and 24, and I want to find the LCM of those numbers, right? So your first method is to write the multiples and then find the common multiple, least common multiple from them, right? So your first method is listing out the multiples. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, and so on. You can write it down, right? Doesn't matter. 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, and so on. And so on, because I know that I got my common multiple, that's why. So see here, which number is a common among these 2 numbers, that is 24. So I got my first common multiple also, first common multiple, और first common multiple को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Lowest common multiple also. जो आपको सबसे पहला मिला, that is always the lowest common multiple only. इसके बाद जो मिलेंगे वो इन सबसे इससे बड़े ही होंगे स्टूडेंट्स, राइट। सो माय एलसीएम इज 24. My LCM is students 24, right? This is first method which I discussed with you, that is based on listing out the multiples. Second method of doing the LCM is by prime factorization method, right? Right? There is one more another way also, but if you do it by this one, that will be quite easy for you, right? So what you are supposed to do in this, you have to you have to take both the numbers together here, right? SCF में हम लोग separate कर रहे थे, LCM में together कर रहे हैं, right? LCF we were doing separate, LCM we do together, right? So we'll start from 2 table, 2 6 are 12 and 2 12s are 24, right? 2 6 are 12 and 2 12s are 24. Again it can be divided by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. Again it can be divided by the 2, ये 3 as it is रहेगा, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now you have to do this process until and unless students you don't get 1 here, right? So what you are supposed to आपको करना क्या है, ये सारे जितने भी आपने numbers लिखे हैं तो multiply them 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24, right? In both the ways students you got the answer as same, right? Answer will remain same but the method is little bit changed. Let's see one more example on LCM, right? Another example is 24 and 48, right? 24 and 48. As I already told in HCF also, students always give more importance to this one. I am not saying that don't do this method, because यहाँ पे आपको tables याद रखना पड़ेगा or you have to do an multiplication if you are not knowing the tables. This is quite easy if you think, right? So I am doing with the prime factorization. Both the numbers are even numbers, right? So we'll get the chance to 2 only. So 2 12s are 24. Then 2 24s are 48. Again both the numbers are even numbers, so it will be divided by the 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 12s are 24. 6 and 12 again both are even numbers, so it will be divided by the 2. So 2 3s are and 2 6 are. Again see this 3 cannot be divided by 2, so we'll write as it is. अगर जो नंबर डिवाइड नहीं होता उसको as it is लिखिए. 6 can be divided by 2, so we'll be writing 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3, right? Now all the multiples here, all the factors you have got here, so just multiply them. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Right? If you can see the question students 24 and 48, तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि जो आपका second number है that is the only answer for the LCM. Why it happens actually, अगर दोनों number एक ही table में आ रहे हैं, the 24 and 48 both are coming in the table of 24 itself, right? तो दोनों numbers में जो सबसे बड़ा वाला number होगा वही उसका actually LCM रहता है, right? और अगर हम इसका HCF find करते हैं students, if we find the HCF then what actually happens, ये दोनों नंबर में जो सबसे छोटा होगा ना वो आपका HCF बनता है, right? This can only be analyzed when you do the more and more sums, right? So there is word problem also students on based on LCM. Okay students, now let's see the word problem on the word problem. Here you have to identify this of HCF or LCM, right? So your word problem is in a morning walk 3 persons step off together. Step off together मतलब एक साथ निकले हैं, right? For walking. The steps measure, उनके steps जो है उनको बताया है. One is taking 80 centimeter step, यानी कि distance जो cover करते हैं हम 1 foot step of 80 centimeter. Another one 85, another one 90. That means तीनों persons का आपको footsteps दिए हैं respectively. what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Distance is same, right? But their footsteps are different. So they are asking that what is the minimum distance so that each can cover the entire distance properly. So here generally students, what you see, आप लोग क्या देखते हैं? Here you see this word minimum, and then you say minimum है तो LCM करना है, right? But this is actually not right way towards your word problem. Minimum word देखकर directly मत jump हो जाए कि yes LCM है, right? You should see that whether this question contains equality or togetherness, right? अगर equality यानी distribution की बात हो रही है तो HCF होगा. अगर together मतलब एक साथ कुछ काम करना है या हो रहा है, so then it is of LCM. See here, there is one word also, that is together. That means तीनों एक साथ निकले हैं, right? Walking करने. So here the word is together. So that's why this question belongs to LCM and not HCM, right? So we have to find the LCM of LCM किसका find करना है students हमें? We have to find the LCM of 80, 85 and 90, and we'll do it with the prime factorization method. After three numbers, two numbers are even numbers, so we'll give the chance to 2, right? 240 is a 85 doesn't come in the table of 2. 90 है, again it is divisible by 2, so 45 is a okay. ये एक number है 40 that is divisible by 2. Remaining two numbers are not divisible by 2. So I'm giving the chance of 40 to get divided by 2. So 220 is a 85 or 45 as it is. Again this 20 can be divided by 2 students. तो जब तक 2 होता है तब तक उसे आप कैरी ऑन करिए. 2 5 is a 10. Now see these three, all the three numbers are odd numbers. It cannot be divided by 2. So we'll give the chance to 3, right? 3 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता. 85 आता है? No. 45? Yes. It comes 15 sir, right? Again this 15 is divided by 3. 3 5 sir. Clear? अभी all ये जो तीनों numbers है, all these three numbers are divisible by 5, right? So 5 ones are 5 17s and 5 ones are, right? Now 17 itself is a prime number, so किसी और के टेबल में नहीं जाएगा. Done. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply that, right? To get the LCM. So 2 into 2. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times 3 is there? 2 times. And how many times 5? 1 time. How many times 70? 1 time. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, right? And 3 into 3 हो गया 9, 16 9s are 144. 144 into 5, and whatever the answer comes, then we have to multiply with the 17 also, right? So I am here doing the calculations for you. So here I am doing actually 144 into 5. 5 was a 20 plus 2 22. 5 was a 5 plus 2 720. Again this 720 needs to multiply with the 17 students. So 720 multiplied by 17. 7 2s are 40. 7 is a 49 plus 150. 1 0 is a 0. 1 2 is a 2. 1 7 is a 7. So your final answer is 12,240. So 12,240 is your LCM, right? So the minimum distance, see, minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance. इतना minimum distance उन्हें cover करना ही पड़ेगा. So here I am writing, therefore minimum distance is 12,240 centimeter. देखो centimeter लिखना जरूरी है because these are all in the centimeter. So is it clear to all of you? I hope you understood HCF and LCM.